I'm Deepak Rajanna. I'm a Director of Engineering in Flipkart's Fulfilment Services Group. In my current role, I handle two areas of work. The first one's called Promise Ecosystem, and the second is called Jeeves and F1. In Promise Ecosystem, simply put, sits between the Flipkart.com website and the rest of the supply chain and makes delivery promises on behalf of the supply chain to the end customer. And it does this at very high scale. The second area, Jeeves and F1, handles all the experience for a customer after a delivery is done, and this includes installation, services, repair, and refurbishment. There are two very impactful projects that we just landed. One is in the scaling of Promise Systems, which was one of the most impactful projects that I've worked on. Between 2017 sales season and 2018 sales season, Promise Ecosystem handled 4x the scale, added a lot of business complexity, and did all this at using fewer hardware resources. And that's something that was very impactful. The other one that I want to talk about is Jeeves. In the early part of 2018, we put together a SWAT team, including engineering, product, design, and ops, which came together to solve some of the manual processes that were involved in the post-delivery experience. We rolled out a lot of systems that automated the post-delivery experience for the customer and resulted in a great customer experience. I believe Flipkart is a company of builders and creators. I worked in a lot of other places before this, but I've yet to see an organization where people at all levels are empowered to this extent. The ability of people to come together, to self-organize, to take on audacious goals and to achieve them, I think is what makes Flipkart special. By sheer volumes that we handle, we are in one of India's largest supply chains, and yet we don't think of ourselves as a supply chain company that uses technology incidentally, but we are a technology company that wants to disrupt the supply chain. What this means is that there's a lot of first principles problem solving, there's a lot of complexity, and there's massive scale. And that makes it one of the biggest reasons to join FSG. Here's an opportunity to fundamentally alter the way supply chains operate in India. Moreover, there are 20,000 field personnel that work to make this a successful organization. Right? They're out delivering, they're doing repairs, they're doing refurbishment. And the systems that we build makes their life easier and makes Flipkart a great company to work for. And that's also something exciting.